enthusiasts and good food lovers. I'm Asi Efres and welcome back to Healthy and Happy. Today we have a fantastic episode for you. We'll be making lightly salted asparagus with dill and garlic, and it's a delicious and nutritious dish that you will absolutely love. So without further ado, let's get started. The methods I'll be using today to tenderize asparagus is called light salting, and it has been used for centuries in many European countries to preserve seasonal vegetables. The main advantage of this method is that it preserves all the nutrients and keeps the vegetables as close to their original state as possible, as Mother Nature intended. The process of salting asparagus is super simple and you will need only 4 ingredients. I'll be combining asparagus with sea salt for some wonderful electrolytes and sodium. I'll be adding garlic that is famous for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and also I'll be adding dill for a fantastic aroma and a whole bouquet of different vitamins and minerals. All you need to prepare this dish is a 1-liter jar, mason jar. You will need a measuring spoon, a cutting board, some mixing bowls, a pitcher with filtered water. So let's take one asparagus and remove the hard part and make sure that it fits into our jar, and then we are going to cut all asparagus the same way. We're placing the asparagus into the jar. Alright, so this is perfect. So now let's add 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and here I have 2 tablespoons. And we're adding 3 tablespoons of dill. Wonderful. And now when all ingredients are in the jar, we're adding filtered water to cover all the ingredients. Now let's close the lid. And now after all ingredients are in, let's shake the jar. Let's shake the jar until the salt is dissolved. And voila, you're done. The asparagus is ready to eat in 24 hours, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Salted asparagus will make for a great amuse-bouche, a healthy snack, a wonderful side dish for all your protein courses like chicken, fish or steak, and also as an addition to a salad. Alright, so the jar with asparagus has been in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and it's my favorite part. Let's try it. Look at this. It retained its color, it retained its crunchiness, and let's see about the taste. You guys, this is the best asparagus you will ever have. I hope you make it for yourself, for your friends, for your family. Give these jars of asparagus for birthdays, for New Year's, for Christmas, instead of sugary stuff, and your friends and family will love you for that. Thank you for joining me today, and if you find this content useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Comment, I'd love to hear from you. And most importantly, stay healthy and happy. And if you like this video, you're going to love the next one. Bye!